got Tyler a new toolbox because he's been having sockets and wrenches and what tools would walk off. And so we just got one with a whole crap ton of tools in it. Hey Berkey, we're about at the turnoff to get to the scrapyard.
That's a cluster.
There's more shit than you need.
Where are you putting it?
Where are you putting it?
Next
Baby,
to the
it's
table.
for
You
you.
said you wanted one next to the table for homeschool.
Yep.
It's
It's
loaded
got-
with shit.
She said that.
It's got tools just for you.
It's got sockets.
Open her up. Why is there some strap down, dude? Yeah.
Oh. I'm short, I can't see that.
Look at that.
Even more smaller sockets.
Yeah.
Hex bits.
Yeah,
Hi.
it's just fully loaded.
So these guys pitched in to get it just for you.
Thanks, guys.
Yep.
He's like, what?